Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Module 4, Information Systems Operations, Maintenance and Service Management. Information Systems Operations, Maintenance, and Service Management likely refers to one of the domains covered in the CISA exam. These domains represent different areas of expertise that candidates need to demonstrate proficiency in to pass the exam and earn the certification. 1. Information Systems Operations. This involves the day-to-day management and operation of information systems within an organization. It includes tasks such as system monitoring, performance tuning, backup and recovery, and ensuring the availability of IT services. 2. Maintenance. Maintenance refers to the ongoing upkeep and support of information systems to ensure they continue to function effectively and securely. This may involve applying patches and updates, troubleshooting issues, and optimizing system configurations. 3. Service Management. Service management encompasses the processes and practices used to plan, deliver, and support IT services to meet the needs of the organization and its users. This includes areas such as service desk management, incident management, problem management, change management, and service level management. In the context of the CISA certification, candidates are expected to understand the principles, best practices, and tools related to these areas and be able to assess and audit them effectively to ensure that information systems are operating securely, efficiently, and in accordance with relevant regulations and standards.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.